special to you that's watching this video. Okay, so I'm going to work on Sally's outfit for her. It's going to be pants, strappy shirt, long sleeve shirt, and a jacket. So today I'm going to do it on a different way. I'm going to show you a different, very easy way to make clothes for the dolls as well. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, just use a stretchy material, fold it in half. Wrong side, right sides together. Okay. And then you place the doll on the material itself. Open the legs a bit. Take your koki and do it as close as the doll, but keep it straight so then the seam allowance will be included. So just keep it straight and start by where the waist is on the most narrowest, and just go all along the line with the doll. Just make sure you make an incline in the middle. Okay, there you go. Just for the waist there and the legs, just right. Okay, so there's the pattern on the material, and then you just pin it together just to keep it in place. And then, as some of the other clothes, you sew it directly on the line on the outside and then on the V part here in the middle. So you can do it with hand sew if you want, but I'm doing with my machine that I'm going to use. It's just easier and faster for me. So yeah, I'm going to do that now. Okay, so I sew it on the lines here on the outside and on the inside, and then now you can just cut it out on the just close to the sewing as possible. Just be careful not to cut too close. And there you go. In the middle I just cut a V somewhere, and then just make sure whenever you start and finish to make a back and forth stitch there to keep it there, so it doesn't fray out. Okay, so then inside out. There you go. Just see if it fits. And there you go, a pair of nice tight fit leggings for Sally. So now I'm going to make a shirt. I've got this material, stretchy material with the seam here, but if you don't have it, you don't need to use it. But I would want to use that for the shirt. Okay, the shirt you make on the same principle almost as for the pants. Just on the one side you put on the before the pipe material in double, and then on the put on a fold where hip is against, and the soldier is there to the brim of the material. And then on the one other side, just also draw it with a pen, or just make it first the height you want it. Want it to be there by the breast. Okay, so then you just go also just along the body on the one side. And depends on the length you want to make it. Okay, I think it's now a bit dark. Don't know if you can see. Okay, and then just also just put a pin in here, and then just on this line here, I'm gonna sew it with my sewing machine, but you can do it hand sew as well. So yeah, going back to that quickly. Okay, there you go. Just follow the line, and now I'm just going to cut it out also as closely to the line as possible. Okay, there you go. Okay, so there's our little shirt. So I can just turn it inside out. Okay, so I want to use this as some of the straps. So I'm just gonna cut it here, just not for the arms. Okay, so hopefully that will work. There you go. Quick and easy, nice little shirt for it as well. So yeah, I think that coming out nice. So now I'm gonna make a long sleeve shirt with this quite thin see-through material. Also it's very stretchy. I hope it would be wide enough, so we're gonna have to see. Okay, so I'm gonna use this pattern. I also made it on the same principle as for the pants, just put it on a fold. But yeah, I made this pattern in for that. So here it is if you want to see that. So this material, yes, I like it, but it's a bit short, but it can also make the outfit interesting. So I'm just going to put it and pin it. And also just along the line of my pen. Okay, so there's the long sleeve overshirt now. So now I'm going to make a jacket. I've got this headband of mine I'm not going to use anymore because since I've cut my hair short moss. So I'm just going to use this then. enough. Okay, for this I'm going to use this pattern here that I've got for the front and back, and then the sleeve. So I will show you this pattern as well. Okay, so this is a total different pattern. This you're gonna have to cut it out first. So let's just cut it out. Oh yeah, this I want to leave this length. I want to make it like a jacket. Okay, so first I'm just going to sew little pieces here together. So I'm going to do that quickly. Okay, and then it's just the sleeve that must come in. Okay, just open it up, and then you put your sleeve also right side together, just in here, work around, yeah, for the both of the sleeves. Okay. Okay, I made the sleeves too narrow, so I had to cut it shorter. All you have to do now is just in the middle, just cut a straight line up. And turn it inside out. Okay, so the sleeves don't work on this, so I'm just going to cut off the sleeves. I can't turn it inside out, so I'm just going to cut it straight with the, there you go. So this is just a over a soldier jacket. Okay, let's see if we can get it on. Okay, it's not quite what I had in mind. I wanted the long sleeve, but yeah, I made it too small. But I think still it came out very cute and nice. And I paired it off with a pair of brown boots. So yeah, there's a new outfit for her. So in the next one, I'm going to make another outfit. So see you next time. Bye.